A day after the sharp hike in petrol prices that has led to outrage from ordinary folks and political parties, the Congress, sources say, has demanded a partial rollback of between 2 and 3 rupees. Sources in the Congress, in fact, claim that they were not informed about the hike at all. And today, the spokesperson officially indicated that some kind of rollback was needed. The NDA, meanwhile, has called a nationwide strike next week in protest.
Within the parameters of a very volatile economic situation, we would hope that the government would try and find a modus vivendi whereby the burden, if it is possible, to some extent could be mitigated. Certain state governments have already taken the lead in rationalizing the state taxes on petrol. That is indeed a welcome measure. We do hope that others would also step up to the plate and rationalize state taxes.
As the steep overnight hike in petrol prices gets an angry response across the country, it's the beginning of another anxious day for Rajesh Awasthi. A junior employee in a private firm, Rajesh supports a family of 5. He clocks 120 kilometers every day, and for him the steep petrol hike means his salary of 9,000 rupees is stretched tighter than ever.
फिर वो ये बस से जाएंगे या फिर जो हमारे जो साथ वाले काम करते हैं उनके साथ शेयर करेंगे, आधा पेट्रोल करेंगे, पर ये कि हम खुद नहीं चला सकते गाड़ी क्योंकि पूरा बजट चौपट हो गया हमारा फैमिली का.
A sentiment echoed by Randeep Kundu, an executive who works in a multinational firm in Kolkata.
It's going to really be a problem for me and my loans, and the entire way I live is going to change drastically now.
Even for Shivani Gupta, who runs her own business, the petrol hike has come with its problems.
We used to travel quite often because of our workshops, seminars, and that's going to affect most of my trips.
Shivani, Randeep and Rajesh, just 3 examples of how the petrol price hike is impacting the lives of many across the nation. Though the extent of their burden may be different, there's no denying the impact on their everyday lives.
बिल्कुल भी आम आदमी की सरकार नहीं है, नेताओं की सरकार है, सरकारी जेब सरकार है. उनको फ्री का पेट्रोल मिलता है. एक बार जब अपनी जेब से पेट्रोल लाएंगे तब उन्हें पता चलेगा कि पेट्रोल की महंगाई किसे कहते हैं.
In fact, members of parliament are entitled to 16 rupees per kilometre of travel allowance when the house is in session, apart from air and train travel for sessions. For ministers, secretaries and other officials who are entitled to government cars, the limit is 200 litres per month, but that can be extended depending on the nature of work. The argument given, they are after all public representatives working for the people. An argument that in these times of high inflation and allegations of policy paralysis may find few takers. With bureau inputs in New Delhi, Ketki Angre for NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.